Right. Next one, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. 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 What is this uniform motion and non-uniform motion? Right? As we know, motion means the change in the position of a body with respect to the time to relevant relative to observer or surroundings or any reference point. Uniform motion. Uniform motion. For example, a road. Here the point P, Q, R, S, T, U. Right. First, a vehicle is on the road. Say for example, a bus. A bus is at P. Here the time T is equal to 0 seconds. 0 seconds. After time 2 seconds, after time 2 seconds, the bus is at Q. So it covers, for example, 2 meters. 2 meters. Then after time 4, it is at R, then it is also covered 2 kilometers. Then at time 6 seconds, it is at S, it is also covered 2 kilometers. At time 8 seconds, it also covers 2 centimeters, 2 meters. At time 3 seconds, also covered 2 kilometers. Right? So the total length between P and U is 10 meters. First T at rest T is equal to 0 seconds is rest only. At 2 after 2 seconds it is at Q. So the distance between P and Q is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. After time 4 seconds it is at R. So here to here P to R 4 kilometers. Then P to S 6 kilometers. Then P to T 8 kilometers. Then P to U 10 kilometers. Total 10 kilometers, 10 meters, sorry, 10 meters, not kilometers, 2 meters, meters only. Meters, right? P to Q 2 meters, Q to R 2 meters, R to S 2 meters, S to T 2 kilometers, T to U 2 kilometers. How much time to complete this 2 kilometers? How much time taken by bus to cover this 2 meters? T is equal to 0, T is equal to difference 2 seconds. 2 to 4 difference 2 seconds. 4 to 6 difference 2 seconds. 6 to 8 2 seconds. 8 to 10 2 seconds. So here for equal intervals of time. What is the equal intervals of time? 2 seconds. Time gap between 2 points is 2 seconds. In that, how much distance covered? 2 meters. For every 2 seconds, a bus covered how many meters? 2 meters. For every second, a bus covered 2 meters. So, if any body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, whatever the time interval is. 2 seconds or 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 4 or whatever. So how small the time interval is, if it is covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then we can say to be the object is in uniform motion. The object is in uniform motion, right? Then, if you draw a graph, for time and distance covered, so we get a straight line. Example in generally nobody is in uniform motion. Maybe if we consider the needles in a watch ఈక్వల్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో ఈక్వల్గానే తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పుకోవచ్చు మ్యాక్సిమం. ఓకే, దెన్ నాన్ యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్ ఆపోజిట్. ఏ బాడీ కవర్స్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ in unequal intervals of time. Or unequal distances in equal intervals of time. If a body covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time, or unequal distances in equal intervals of time. ఇదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం. P2Q 10 meters, P2Q 2 meters, Q2R 3 meters, R2S 4 7 2, right? 5 9, ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 తీసుకుందాం. 2 here 1 here 2 1. So time gap here t is equal to 0, t is equal to 2, t is equal to 4, t is equal to 6, t is equal to 8, t is equal to 10. Time gap 2 seconds. 2 minus 0 2, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 6 2, 10 minus 8 2. Same equal intervals of time, but distance just చూడండి. First 2 kilometers, then 3 kilometers, then 2 kilometers, then 1 kilometers, then finally 2 kilometers. So time gap is same, but distances covered is different. So then the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. Let us take one more example. ఇదే సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ PU అనుకుందాం. PU. సో P2Q 2 meters, Q2R 2 meters, R2S 2 meters, S2T also 2 meters. So here also 2 meters, but time interval here t is equal to 0, here t is equal to 2, here t is equal to 5, here t is equal to 2 again, t is equal to 1, right? So 2 5 5 అంటే ఇక్కడ 7 అనుకున్నాం. 7th second, here the 8th second, here t is equal to 10 seconds. See, first time 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 5 2, then 8 minus 7 1, then 10 minus 8 2. Unequal intervals of time, but covered same distance. 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. time gap different. First 2 seconds, then 3 seconds, then 2 seconds, then 1 second, then again 2 seconds. Here example, time gap same 2 seconds, but distance is covered different. So a body is said to be in a non-uniform motion. In a non-uniform motion, unequal intervals of time. It covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time, or unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So then the body is said to be, non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. The body is said to be non-uniform motion, right? So this is about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. If a body falling down, if any body falling down, is example for non-uniform motion. Moving of vehicles on the road also example for non-uniform motion. So if you draw the graph, then between time and distance we get curve. We get curve, right? We will discuss in graphs. That's all. Thank you.